Yeah, good morning, students. Today I will revise the chapter again, friction, chapter 2 from class 8. Children, friction means a frictional force arises when two substances contact each other, children. So, whenever two substances are contacting each other, the friction is developed, children. So, friction is a force that resists the motion of objects or surfaces. So, whenever there is a friction, it opposes the motion of the objects. It always acts between the object and surface, children. Friction always works in the direction opposite from the direction of the object is moving or trying to move. Suppose children, you are moving towards north to east. The friction influence on the object opposite to its direction. Okay, it always shows a moving objects down. So this friction makes the speed of the objects down, children. Observe the figure, children, here how the friction is influencing on the speed of the objects. So there are three types of frictions are there: static friction, sliding friction, rolling friction. Let us discuss one by one, children. Identifying friction forces. Friction is a force measured in newtons, just like any other force. Friction is a force measured in newtons, just like any other force, children. And static friction keeps an object at rest from moving. So always this friction keeps the object at rest from moving. Sliding friction is a force that resists the motion of an object moving across the surface. So sliding friction is a force that resists the motion of an object moving across the surface. Rolling friction is the friction exerted when object rolls over a surface. It's called rolling friction. Is the friction exerted when an object rolls over a surface. So how friction affects motion, children? If you roll a ball along the floor or a ground, it will slow down and stop even though no apparent force is being applied onto it. Children, without applying of apparent force, then the ball which is rolled on the surface will come to an halt after some time, children. So for this responsible, friction. The ball slow down and stops because of friction. Because of the ball slow down and stops because of friction. Friction slows down a moving object. Friction occurs when two objects rub against each other. So no doubt, friction slows down a moving object, and friction occurs when two objects rub against each other. A car that runs on a very rough road slows down due to friction. So a car which runs on a very rough road slows down due to friction. However, on a smooth road it travels faster. A smooth surface has a very few bumps and hollows. There is a less friction on a smooth surface. A running object can glide or move continuously with very little force, children. Depending on friction. Friction depends on both the surface in contact. When the hockey puck slides on ice, a thin layer of water between the rubber and the ice allows the puck to slide easily. So ice and layer of water, children. Observe here. Factors affecting friction, children. Friction depends on a material properties such as roughness, how clean the surface are, and other factors. So friction depends on two factors, that is nature of the surface in contact, the smoothness of the surface, how hard the surface pressed together. Cause of friction. Friction is caused due to the interlocking of irregularities between the two surfaces in contact. The smooth surfaces have minute irregularities between the two surfaces. Rough surfaces have large irregularities between the two surfaces. So force of friction is more surface are rough, children. Reducing the force of friction. Unless a force is constantly applied, friction will slow or motion to a stop eventually. It is impossible to completely get rid of friction, but it can be reduced. The friction between a shaft, the long pole in the picture, and an outer part of machine produce a lot of heat. Friction can be reduced by placing ball bearings between the shaft and the outer part. Reducing friction. Friction can be reduced by using lubricants like powders or oils and grease, using rollers or wheels, using ball bearings. We sprinkle powder on a carom board to reduce the friction. Oil or greases is applied between moving parts of machine to reduce friction. Wheels are used in vehicles to reduce friction. So ball bearings are used in ceiling fans, bicycles and vehicles to reduce friction. I'll repeat children, reducing friction, the following methods are to be adopted to reduce the friction children. There are nothing but using lubricants like powders or oils and greases, using rollers or wheels, using ball bearings. We sprinkle powder on a carom board to reduce friction. Oil or greases is applied between moving parts of machines to reduce friction. Wheels are used in vehicles to reduce friction. Ball bearings are used in ceiling fans, bicycles and vehicles to reduce friction children. Useful friction. Friction is useful for many of our daily activities. It is possible to hold a tumbler due to friction between the hand and the tumbler. Friction between the feet and ground helps us to walk on the ground. It is possible to write with a pen or pencil or on a paper due to friction between the pen or pencil and the paper. It is possible to write on a blackboard due to the friction between the chalk and the blackboard. Friction is also important to anyone driving a car. Grooved tire treads allow space for water to be channeled away from the road tire contact point, allowing for more friction in wet conditions. So shoes are designed to increase the friction between tire soles and the ground. Friction and energy children. Friction is always present in a machine with the moving parts. If the machine is small or the forces are low, the amount of heat produced by friction may also be small. Each time two moving surfaces touch each other, tiny bits of material are broken off by friction. Breaking of bits of material uses energy. Fluid friction children. Fluid friction is the force of friction exerted by liquid children and gases on objects moving through them. Fluid friction depends upon the speed of the object, shape of the object, the nature of the object. Birds flying in the air have streamlined body to reduce fluid friction. Fishes living in water have streamlined body to reduce fluid friction. Thank you children, have a nice day. And now after watching this video, please try to write the complete notes in your homework notebook children. And thank you, have a nice day.